Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do an Easter haul. Everything is last minute for me right now just because I was sick for the last 3 weeks, so I'm behind on everything that I wanted to do. And I know Easter is this coming Sunday, but I still wanted to show you guys what I got because I'm going to make Easter baskets for the kids. And I want to do a sewing tutorial Friday, but I'm not sure I'm going to get that up, so that's going to be very last minute, just because like I said, I've been sick for the last 3 weeks, so I haven't been able to do anything, and I hope you guys understand that. So let's get into the haul. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the things that I purchased from Meijer because I just got these today and it's less of this stuff to show. So like I was saying in my vlog on Monday, I like to do Easter egg hunt with the kids. It's supposed to be halfway decent on Sunday here, so hopefully we could do the Easter egg hunt outside. But for that, I have the golden eggs, which is only 4 of them this year. I think I only got 4, to just make it a little bit more challenging for the kids. Normally what I put in the golden eggs are like anywhere from $5 to $2 to $1 and maybe even $20 depending on how happy I'm feeling on that day. So that's what the golden eggs are for. Then of course we have jelly beans. I love the Starburst jelly beans, and now they have the sour. I don't know if they had the sour last year, but I absolutely love the Starburst jelly beans. So I got these because you can't have Easter without jelly beans. Then I got the mini robin's eggs, which are just simply, oops, it's upside down. It's just simply Whoppers, mini Whoppers, but they call them mini robin eggs, and they're kind of cute. So we have that. And then we have the Cadbury mini eggs, and these are actually chocolate crunch and cream. So it's almost like a cookie, and I didn't see these last year either, but the kids love anything made by Cadbury, so I got that. I know it's a lot of sugar, but hey, what's one day, right? So these are absolutely phenomenal. These are the Twix eggs, and then I got the Snickers eggs, which are also really good. And I did have coupons for these. I had for the Cadbury, the Starburst, and the Reese's, I had a $2 off 3. So yeah, I used that. And I have the Reese's peanut butter cups, which are also phenomenal, and again another Starburst sour jelly beans. So that's just the stuff I picked up from Meijer today. There are a few more things that I want to get from there, because I'm making baskets for the kids, and I want to put like toys and stuff in it for Cam and Autumn, and then do like gift cards or something like that for the older children. So I'll have to go back. Okay, so the rest of this stuff I'm about to show you came from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, so I got, let's start off with these little tins. I got these for the teenagers because they don't really, you know, care too much about getting baskets anymore, but they still love the candies, so I just got them those. And the boys can use those to put, like, you know, deodorant or whatever in. So Autumn got mad at me last year because she said I did not get her a hollow chocolate, and I could have sworn I did, but maybe I didn't. So I got her and Cam hollow chocolate bunnies. And then I got this Russell Stover chocolate bunny. I got 2 of those, again for Cam and Autumn, because they're the younger ones, so they get more in theirs, because, you know, they still like when I do stuff like this. So I found these. I thought these were the cutest things. These are like ring pops, but they're called little pops, and then they have like bunny. So I got her pink and him blue. But yeah, it's a little like sucker thing, so when they have it in their mouth, then they'll have the little funny bunny mouth. And then I got Jelly Bellies. This one is assorted, and these are sours. So yeah, they can have fun with those Jelly Bellies. You all know Jelly Belly has some weird flavors. Just give me the berry cherry and I'm I'm good to go. Okay, so, oh, these aren't important right now, but I will show you them later. So I also got these. My mom used to buy these all the time when me and my sister were younger, and I used to love them. But basically what they are marshmallow eggs, and hopefully they're covered in chocolate because that's how they normally come, is covered in chocolate. So I got 2 of these. I also got bubbles to put in Cam and Autumn's baskets. So I got her Frozen and I got him Avengers. Because right now, he's still my baby boy. I know he's going to middle school next year, but right now, he's still my baby boy. So then I got these to cover the baskets with. And these came 2-pack, and they may be really big, but I can always cut them down, you know, and tie them up. So yeah, I got these. They didn't have the clear ones, so I had to get the red ones, which is fine. I don't think they're going to care. But yeah, so I got that. And then for Cam and Autumn's basket, I try my best to stay away from pink for her, but you all know if you have daughters or granddaughters or nieces or whatever, it's really hard when you have a little girl to find stuff that doesn't have some form of pink or purple in it. And this is actually, she loves this color and anything in the like blue-green family. But yeah, so this one will be for her. And then I had to, you know, find something that was kind of boyish, but still Eastery. When it comes to like Easter and I think it's Halloween, Cam isn't too particular if it has like, you know, some pink in it like this one does. He's fine with it because it's just a bucket. But if it's like clothes or anything like that, he's just totally not into that. But yeah, so this is his bucket. And then, lastly, stuff is falling all over the place. I got the eggs that I will be hiding around the house, and these will have some form of candy inside. And then I got more Russell Stover's bunnies, and I got these. These are Russell Stover's chocolate marshmallow eggs. So I'll probably go back to the Dollar Tree because it is some more stuff that I want to get. And you can't have Easter without Peeps. I didn't get a lot of these because the last time I went overboard with the Peeps and they were eating Peeps throughout the summertime because that's how many I purchased. So I didn't go overboard this year. So yeah, these will go in the older boys' baskets. Those are individual for them. And then, of course, more Jelly Bellies, which will be for the older boys as well. So that's pretty much it. If I don't get a chance to do the sewing tutorial that I want to do on Friday, what I will do is wait to do the baskets until Friday, and I'll show you the difference that I do from my teenagers to the little kids, and you know, maybe you guys can get some last minute Easter ideas. And if that's the case, either way, I'm going to try my best to get that video done and up early so you guys have time to you know, mimic that on Friday. My kids have no school on Friday, so even if I did anything on Friday, I would have to do it before they wake up, because if any of you watch my old videos, you know how it gets when the kids are up and awake. And you know, I'm a mom, so hey, that's life. A lot of people don't like to hear it though, so I'm just warning you ahead of time that Friday my kids are out of school. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, give it a big thumbs up. I know I haven't done hauls or pretty much anything that I've wanted to do in a long time, but like I said, I've been sick for the last 3 weeks. Wintertime is horrible for me. For those who are new to this channel, like really new, and don't know that I have kind of severe health problems which keep me sick a lot, which is why I said I can't wait till summer. Anyway, that is why. So yeah, I'm gonna tackle this stuff because I kind of just threw everything over here. But again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I make videos now 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so you can look forward to that. All of my social media is down in the description. If you ever have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to comment. when you give me thumbs up though, guys, it lets me know the type of videos you like and the type of videos you don't like. So the ones that I have lower like thumbs up on, I really won't do a lot of those because I'm not getting a lot of positive feedback on them. But if you like them, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up so I know to keep putting out videos like that. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.